Hello everyone, Swami Originatori, and today we have a review on OnePlus Nord N10. 5G upgrade to the next stage of mobile technology. OnePlus Nord N10 5G packs an ultra-fast punch. Stay connected and enjoy the digital world without the long load times. Warp Charge 30T delivering EDS power in 30 minutes. Warp Charge 30T combined with a massive battery gives you more time with your phone and less time charging. 90Hz display sporting a display that refreshes 50% faster than standard 60Hz displays. The N10 5G display is super responsive and smooth. Quad camera. Unleash your inner photographer with the Nord N10 5G S64MP main camera, or capture other details with the ultra-wide, macro, or monochrome lens for additional options. Big performance, big storage, massive amounts of RAM allows you play and run the highest-end games and most demanding apps. 128 GB of included storage allows for the downloading and installation of all your favorite films, TV shows, games, photos, and videos. The price $272 of this product is everything. If you want to know about similar models, watch this video, and also subscribe to the channel to learn about new products. Bye bye.